Okay, so I've actually just figured something interesting out about your laptop, and this is just after letting the Norton antivirus startup scan execute. What I learned is that, just like normal, we can click on this, and instead of actually typing your name, you can take your finger and use the fingerprint scanner, and it will recognize you. You don't have to click on the options for password. You don't have to click on the option for the PIN. You don't have to do any of that. It simply recognizes your identity from your fingerprint. You don't have to type in your name and then use your fingerprint. You just simply use your fingerprint. That pretty cool? I love that. That's pretty cool. Okay. Anyway, I think Norton Antivirus fixed that problem with the other archives being corrupted. So their archives are not a critical component to the operating system when it's booting and running like this. Archives are usually used as collections of files within a file. That's why it's called an archive. And they might get relied on during software installation or something else, but it's not needed for the actual execution and running state of Microsoft Windows, which this is the state of Microsoft Windows that you want running. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I'm going to make the next one, which is going to be about the keyboard down there.